Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Rolls Royce cars are made. Rolls Royce vehicles are not mass-produced. Instead, they are meticulously handcrafted, often taking several months to complete. The process begins with a client's vision, which is then brought to life by skilled artisans. Every car is a unique creation, reflecting the owner's personal style and preferences. This blend of artistry and engineering ensures unparalleled luxury and performance. The journey of a Rolls Royce begins with design, where clients can select from an astonishing 44,000 exterior paint colors, or even create their own custom shade. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring the finest leathers, exquisite wood veneers, and personalized details. Over 450 individual leather pieces are carefully cut and stitched for each interior, ensuring a flawless finish. This dedication to material excellence sets Rolls Royce apart. Craftsmanship is at the heart of every Rolls Royce. Highly skilled artisans meticulously hand-build the car's body, paint it to perfection, and assemble the luxurious interior. The powerful engines, often V12 configurations, are engineered for smooth, effortless performance and undergo rigorous testing. Every single component, from the smallest screw to the largest panel, is inspected with an unwavering commitment to quality. This ensures a truly exceptional driving experience. The final stage involves extensive customization, where clients can truly make their Rolls Royce their own, adding unique features like starlight headliners or personalized embroidery. After assembly, each vehicle undergoes hundreds of miles of road testing to ensure it meets the brand's exacting standards before being delivered to its discerning owner. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. This meticulous process ensures every Rolls Royce is a masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.